Hi there, and thank you so much for taking your time to actually watch this video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about lead generation, about how to actually start getting more leads for your business opportunity. Um, I actually work for a gold and silver network. They distribute their gold and silver through independent distributors like myself, and basically, as a distributor, we need to generate leads. Um, in case you wonder what I do, I'll leave a link to the company that I work for down below. But this video is not about that. This video is about how I actually get leads for my home-based business. Now, a lot of people say that obviously getting leads is difficult, and it can be if like a lot of things if you don't know what you're actually doing. Now, when you join a network, whatever the network is, whether it's health, whether it's like myself, gold and silver, it doesn't matter what network you're in, you're only going to be earning any money if you can find people that obviously want to get involved and obviously promote the services which you offer. Now, it doesn't matter what the company is, the rules of the game, if you like, are the same. Yeah, it's the same process. You need to somehow get a lead. You need to show that person an opportunity. That person then will or will not decide to join. Yeah, it's totally, the process is the same for whatever company you're in. Now, this video is going to be about what I've been doing, what I actually do to generate leads to my gold and silver network. Well, the first one is what I'm doing right now. I do videos. Yeah, I do videos. I talk about my coins. I talk about obviously the business. I talk about the opportunity. Obviously, you can talk about the payment plan. All these different things. Yeah, obviously, if you're doing a video, you need to talk about that. And then, like I said to you at the start, you ask people to check out the company you're in. Now, doing videos is obviously not for everyone. Not everybody wants to sit in front of a camera. Not everybody wants to talk to a video. It's not everyone's thing, and I understand that. But there are numerous ways to actually get people to look at your company. Yeah. Now, what I do, I do videos. I use LinkedIn, social media. I share my videos on social media. Yeah, that will often work. But the biggest one, if I had to say, what is the main thing you can actually do to actually generate leads to your opportunity, is to use drop cards, leaflets. Yeah, they haven't got to be. They haven't got to provide all the information for the company that you work for. They've got to basically say that you're looking for people that are interested in earning more money. Please, if they're interested, dial my telephone number, and leave a name and number and email. Or if, like the company I work for, they've actually got their own lead capture system, so I can actually do a video, or I can hand out a drop card with my website on it, and the person or the people will be directed to my information. Yeah, the company that I'm in, you can obviously watch that. You can go to the link, see a short presentation about the company, and if you're interested, leave your details. And that is what we need to be doing, but we need to be doing it on a daily basis. This video is about making you realise that we need to be doing this all the time. When you're out and about, when you're getting your petrol, when you're shopping, yeah, you need to be putting these little cards out, little drop cards out. Advertising your business, advertising that you're looking for people that want to obviously work from home. You can't be shy. If you're a network marketer and you want to be making money, out of your network, whatever network you're in, you can't be shy. You can't be scared to talk to people. You're going to get the people that say they're not interested. You're going to get people that say, oh, it's one of those pyramid systems and I'm not doing that. You're always going to get people that are apprehensive and not interested. Well, the good news is you're not looking for them people. You're looking for the people. You're looking for the people like me that once I see the business I'm in, I decided I want to get involved. Yeah, and it's a numbers game. So yeah, do putting out leaflets, drop cards, magnetic signs, shop window ads, um, anything you can do to actually get people to visit your business opportunity. I can remember I went to the doctor's a little while ago, and while I was in the doctor's surgery, I was sitting in the doctor's surgery. I had the free magazines that you read in a doctor's surgery. I was writing it actually in the magazine. Do you know anyone that is interested in working from home? Visit this link. This is what you need to be doing. You need to be putting yourself out there, letting everyone know what you do.